Hello, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda, and here's my husband Rudy.
Hi.
So we're gonna be unboxing Boxycharm for the month of June. So Rudy's gonna be doing May's. So I'm so freaking excited. So I'm gonna open this one. We'll do like one, yeah? Okay, so this one says Boxycharm Getaway. So this is the Tarte High Performance Neutrals BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. We got this. I know. We get a lot of these really pretty palettes from Boxycharm, huh? Oh, I already got this one. So now I get all excited.
Giveaway!
So this one's gonna be going in a giveaway for you guys. This one is so freaking pretty. Okay, so the next one in here is the Jelly Highlighter Cotton Candy. Oh my gosh, cotton candy. Oh, you know what? Speaking of cotton candy, look, I have the Jeffree Star. Mina, wait, smell. You should taste it.
Why it tastes like cotton candy?
Yeah. It doesn't.
Yeah.
It's because the toothpaste one does. The peach one.
So you tasted it?
I did.
You don't want to look dumb?
Okay, so this is the highlighter and cotton candy. Ooh, let's see. Feel it. Jelly. No, feel it for real.
Yeah, I did. What do you mean?
Like that doesn't feel like nice and smooth?
Yeah.
I see you looking at me, Ray. Look at that. That is so pretty. Let me swatch this real quick. Oh, butter. That went on so freaking good. Te pasas, eh? Yeah, eh? Next ones, don't be doing that. So that one's so pretty. That one goes for $26. That's pretty. So far, so... Oh, Mina.
I know, I was looking at that. What is that?
The face mask from Wonder. Okay. Oh, that is so awesome. So we got 3 of the Wonder Berry Anti-Oxidant Mask Trio Pack. And these are $9. That is so freaking cool. I am a hoarder with masks. I love masking. I feel like masking is so relaxing and that is so cool. So, yeah.
That's how you say that or what?
What?
Masking?
I don't know.
No, I'm just like,
Yeah,
I love masking. Like,
yeah, it's a thing. I got my own lingo, baby. Look at it. It's Dominique.
so we're going to give these away since you have so many?
Okay, guys, I want
No,
one.
just kidding. I'm going to use it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I want to try this.
So
Antioxidants,
we'll
like
give
I want
one.
to, like, you know.
So we'll give one away?
Nah.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
2
so
for me, 1 for you.
So we're gonna go in with the Dominque Cosmetics. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Kudos to her. She's so freaking amazing. Her body is snatched. She's a mommy. I love seeing moms like really get it. Oh, that's such a pretty shade. Okay, so this one goes for $17. A ver. Oh, that smells so good to me. Right?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold on. Excuse me. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, Mina. Ooh. That's pretty. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I love this one the most. This is so cool. Okay, what's that one? So this one is the No Poreblem Prime Essence. Oh, okay, Touch and Soul. So we got one of these from their company last time, and it was this one right here. So that's so cool that we got another product. That's freaking awesome. This one goes for $23 and it is a big tube. Look at that. Let your makeup stay on while you're with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence infused with, I think it's just like, this is supposed to
You apply it like before your foundation and stuff?
So this primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So I'm excited to try this for my pores because you guys have seen me complain about it so. Oh, this feels really watery.
I'm not gonna lie, I was just seeing if it was something I could take, like I could use it.
Can I see if it does do your pores right there?
Sure.
It's clear. Oh my gosh, look at the tube.
Oh, that's cool. No, yeah, I was seeing if like it was something like
you rub it in.
Like the.
Does it feel like water?
Yeah.
Feels good.
It doesn't feel oily or anything like that. Like
I'm freaking.
Because I hate. Let's see, do the other side so it's even. Like I hate stuff on my face. Like anything on my face and stuff like that. Like I hate it. But yeah, you can't feel this stuff.
That's so cool.
So now my pores are gonna be tight.
Yeah, it's good. It says helps keep your pores tight.
Like your booty hole tight?
Oh my gosh.
Or how tight?
It does look, makes your skin look, it looks like alive, you know?
Really?
Yeah. Like your face looks like it has like health to it. Are you going to work already? So that was an amazing box. I really liked it. I think my favorite would have to be the Dominque Cosmetics gloss. And I love the color that I got because it goes perfect over a nude. Beautiful. And the jelly highlight, I love. And then the new pore tightening one, I love. And then the mask,
I really want to try. Okay, we can do one. We'll do one giveaway of one.
Yeah, that would be so
We'll throw it in there. I do want to try it though, just because like I love things that like antioxidants and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So let's
and
see what it
then
does.
the palette, that was really, really cool. So this was a really, really good June box. I feel like this was really, really good. So now on to the May box. You open it, baby.
I want you to open it.
Okay, so look at the size. It's totally different. You guys see it? Compared to that one. It says Make Waves.
That's a big one.
Look at this. So this is a Hollywood GlamGlow GentleBubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I wonder if this bubbles up. You know how you said
that one
mask?
Oh.
Look at this.
That'd be dope.
This is so cool.
Dope AF.
Gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning cleanser gently but effectively cleanses the skin and dissolves makeup. You want to put on your face?
Yeah, let's see if it bubbles.
Okay, ready?
Bubble butt. Bubble what?
Money, 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 money.
Okay. Yeah, that's like too much.
You got a lot of face,
Like,
baby.
look. No, I got a normal face. Oh man, I can't really see.
Is that like?
I thought it was gonna bubble up.
Well, you have
bubbling
to.
up?
No, not yet. Oh, that one. It looks nice. It looks like a really pretty glow. Maybe we need some water.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. So I don't know if this is on right. What if I'm just supposed to like...
I'm pretty sure it bubbles with water, you know? So this is cool. This is huge. I like it. I like it when we get like really big things. So that is awesome. I'm trying so hard not to make eye contact. It's to remove this daily conditioning cleanser gently but effectively cleanses and dissolves the makeup.
Dissolves makeup?
So it's like a good like just wash your face and stuff and like condition.
Because like I just shaved my face, so
Burn.
it's like it's stinging, yeah. So I'm like,
oh god. Okay, so the next thing is the Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow from Kate.
So if any ladies shave their mustache, don't use this. It does burn.
That's good to know because I do shave my stash. All right, so this one is $22. Yeah, tú sabes. I don't know why you act like that, eh? So this one is in the shade Cupid. Can I swatch it on you, baby?
Yeah.
Let's see. Ooh.
Dude, I'm too white for the swatches. I'm telling you.
Oh my gosh,
like,
that's
look.
Beautiful. I like that. That is gorgeous. So that's really cool that we got that in there. And I feel like it's a color that anyone can use. You can pop it on any color. Very pretty.
So this stuff, you don't leave it on your face, right?
No, you're
I'm
supposed
gonna
to
wash
wash it
it off because it's on
fire.
fire.
Wait for you. So you can pop this on anything. I think I would pop it on a really pretty gold shade, or I would even pop it on like a pink or a purple. So pretty. Pop it on even a black. I think that'd be beautiful. So next, going into the dose of colors, I'm so freaking excited for this one. This one is a Coral Crush. I was really hoping I was gonna get like a nude or a caca shade, but this one I like. Oh, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. And because summer's here, even better. Oh, that's pretty. And I can always put like a really pretty nude gloss on top. That would be beautiful. So that is so cool that we got it in our Boxycharm. Awesome. I love that. I love that. Dang, that like hecka stained it. Okay, so I grabbed the two products. How does it feel? Did it bubble up?
It did bubble up. When I put water on it, it was like, I think it's like, what is it? Like, is it to like remove makeup?
Yeah.
Is that what it is? Mm-hmm. Okay, because I'm over here, I'm putting that like a moisturizer or something. I'm like rubbing it into my forehead and stuff. Like,
yeah, it's a GentleBubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this one. I was really excited about this one. I kept seeing all over Boxycharm's hashtag. This is a brush trio, and this goes for $22. We got the really pretty palette a long time ago. That was so beautiful. But this is their blush palette, and it is so freaking beautiful. Mira, that's pretty. So I'm so excited to try out their blushes. I've seen so many people apply them, and they just went on so beautiful. So I can't wait. I'm not gonna let you swatch it.
Why not?
I can't wait to try it. Like, oh, let's see. Ooh, that shade is pretty. Those three, beautiful. So I love that they put colors in there that like, you know, that you're gonna like gravitate to in most likely use. And the packaging is freaking beautiful. I love how it has like the specks of like the bronze and stuff. It's really pretty and it's very simple. It's very thin, and that's what their other their packaging palette was too. It was just very thin and simple. It was like a book. I'm excited about this one. So last but not least is another eyeliner. This one is the MELLOW. This one goes for $18. The non-greasy, easy glide-on formula. Your new Melon Cosmetics brow define. It's a brow pencil. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys know I love freaking brow stuff.
I got this glitter all over my pants. Just so you know, okay? Because I don't want you asking me later on why you got all this glitter on you,
Whatever, man. I told you, your excuses better be like that one you tag me in, okay?
Underwater? Yeah.
Whoa!
The octopus.
Yeah, but I was like, Okay, so look, this is for the brow definer. Oh, it's a brow pencil, and I like the color that they sent because I'm definitely gonna be able to use this one. Ooh, that's nice. And like the harder you press on the pencil, like the darker that it does go on. So that's really, really cool. So you can either go light or just like really. But be careful, but the darker you do, it will work.
So like what
be
you're
very
saying
careful. Oh look, it broke off, but look at it kept its shape.
Yeah,
look at that, right?
Positive vibes.
Yep.
Oh, this cracks me. The harder you press, the dark.
So that was the Boxycharm unboxing for May and June. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys are interested in signing up for your own Boxycharm, I do have my own special link down below. If you guys use it, I do receive commission. You guys do not have to use it, but if you guys do, thank you guys so much. And make sure to check out my babe. He's been uploading a lot, so make sure to check him out. I'll leave his info down below. Check it out, show him some love, and be part of the notification squad. So today's shout out goes to Mad Hatter Mom, 2 autistic babies. Thank you so much for turning on your notifications, always showing me love. I appreciate you so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So to enter the giveaway on these 2 goodies right here, all you have to do is just like, comment, and make sure that you are subscribed, and you are automatically entered. I will be picking a giveaway winner, and let's give this 2 weeks, and I'll make sure to put the winner in the description box down below. And yeah, so stay tuned for the next video, you guys.